Hello my dear student, today we see the properties of multiplication of integers. So what are the properties of multiplication of integers? Properties of multiplication of integers. We see the first property. Closure property of multiplication. Closure property of multiplication of closure property of multiplication. Closure property of multiplication means, suppose if a is a integer and b is also integer, then c is also integer. If a, b and c are integers, when we multiply a into b we get c, means when we multiply two integers we get a integers. This property is known as closure property of multiplication. अगर हम दो इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमको एक थर्ड इंटीजर मिलता है, वही क्या है यहाँ पर, उसको हम बोलते हैं क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एग्जांपल देखिए, जैसे सपोज -1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 2, 2 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 4, -3 मल्टीप्लाई विथ -4, -1 इंटू 2 इक्वल टू -2, 2 4 जा 8, -3 इंटू -4 इक्वल टू 12. When we multiply two integers we get integers. -1 into 2, -2, -2 is also integer. 2 into 4, 8, 8 is also integer. -3 into -4 you get 12, 12 is also integer. So this property is known as closure property of multiplication. We see the next property. Next property, commutative property of multiplications. Commutative property of multiplication means, suppose if a and b are integers, if a and b are any integers, when we multiply a with b is equal to b into a. Suppose a and b are two integers, when we multiply a with b and again we multiply b with a, their both answers are equal. So this property is known as commutative property of multiplications. Means क्या हो गया यहाँ पर, अगर हम दो इंटीजर्स लेते हैं और उसको फर्स्ट टू सेकंड मल्टीप्लाई करें या सेकंड टू फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लाई करें, दोनों का आंसर सेम आता है, तो हम इसको बोलेंगे कॉम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एग्जांपल देखते हैं, -1 and 2, -1 into 2 करें, कितना आएगा, -2 आएगा. व्हेन वी चेंज देयर नंबर्स, फर्स्ट वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 into -1, then we get also -2. So when we multiply two integers, first with second should be second multiply with first. This property is known as commutative property of multiplication. A into b should be is equal to b into a, and here a into b is equal to c. See third property, multiplicative identity. Multiplicative identity means, आइडेंटिटी मतलब पहचान होता है, तो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी का मीनिंग क्या होना चाहिए. सपोज -1 मल्टीप्लाई विथ एनी नंबर we get -1, -4 is multiply with any number we get -4. तो -1 is multiply with any number we get -1, -4 is multiply with any number we get -4, 3 is multiply with any number we get 3, and 7 is multiply any number we get 7. तो -1 को कौन से नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया तो -1 आएगा, तो वो नंबर है यहाँ पर 1, 1, 1, 1 means any number multiply with 1 we get a same number. It may be negative integers, it may be positive integers, it may be 0. Any number multiply with 1, we get the same number. So 1 is known as multiplicative identity or multiplicative elements. It means a multiply with 1, we get a. This property is known as multiplicative identity or multiplicative elements. We see the next property. Fourth, associative property of multiplications. So what is the meaning of associative property of multiplications? In previous class we studied about the associative property of additions and subtraction. If a, b and c are integers, then a multiplied with b into c should be equal to a into b into c. अगर कोई इंटीजर्स ऐसा होता है a इंटू बी इंटू सी इज इक्वल टू a इंटू बी इंटू सी, देन इसमें क्या होगा, associative property is applicable for integers. Means a multiply with the product of b and c is equal to the should be equal to product of a and b multiply with c. इस एग्जाम्पल आप सेल्फ देखेंगे, तो चलो एग्जाम्पल देख लेते हैं. सपोज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशंस वर एडिशन. सपोज इफ ए बी एंड सी आर 3 integers, then a is multiplied with the sum of b and c. We get a is multiplied with the sum of b and c. So इसमें क्या होगा, a पहले b के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा, how can multiply a with the sum of b and c. A first multiply with b, a into b, plus then again a is multiplied with c, a into c is equal to ab plus ac. Over subtraction, a multiply with difference of b and c is equal to first a multiply with b, a into b minus a is multiplied with c, then we get ab minus ac. A into b plus c, a is multiplied with the sum of b and c is known as distributive property of multiplications over additions, and over subtraction means a is multiplied with the difference of b and c. This property is known as distributive property of multiplications over subtraction. This property is used to multiply the numbers easily. So we see some questions based on distributive properties and multiplications. We see the question number 1. Starting from -2 into -3, find the value of -2 into 4. Means we start how can find the value of -2 into 4. So we start from -2 into -3. How can solve this question? Solve. First we start from this -2 into -3. -2 into -3 equal -2 into -2 -2 into -1 -2 into 0 -2 into 1 -2 into 2 -2 into 3 -2 into 4. We make a pattern. So -2 into -3, we only multiply the numbers. 2 into 3, 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 0 ja 0, 2 into 1, 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. and we put the sign minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, but 0 has no negative and positive, minus 1 minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. So we start from minus 2 into minus 3, we find the value of minus 2 into 4 equal to minus 8. Therefore minus 2 into 4 is equal to minus 8. We'll see the next example. Second, find a minus 2 multiply with the sum of 3 and 5. B minus 5 is multiplied with the difference of minus 4 and minus 6. So how can multiply both questions? So A is multiplied with B, the sum of B and C, and A is multiplied with the difference of B and C. So by using distributive property of multiplications over addition and subtractions, here addition and here subtraction. So we use the distributive property. Minus 2 is multiplied with 3 plus 5. So minus 2 is multiplied with first 3, minus 2 multiply with 3, then plus, again minus 2 is multiplied with 5, minus 2 is multiplied with 5. So minus 2 3 ja minus 6 plus minus 2 5 ja minus 10 equal to minus 6 plus into minus, minus 10, and minus 6 and minus 10 minus 16. So their answer is minus 16. In second, first minus 5 is multiplied with the difference of minus 4 and 6. So first minus 5 is multiplied with 4, minus 5 multiplied with minus 4, here minus, then again minus 5 is multiplied with minus 6. So minus 4 5 ja 20, minus 5 into minus 4 20, minus minus 5 6, minus 5 and 6, minus 5 into 6 minus 6 plus 30 is done, so is 30, then 20 minus 30, and then 20 minus 30 will be minus 10. Minus 10 is the required answer. So we use A into B plus C is equal to AB plus AC. This is the distributive property of multiplications over additions. Here we use A into B minus C is equal to AB minus AC. This is the distributive property of multiplications over subtraction. So we see the next question. So question number third, is minus 8 multiplied with the sum of minus 2 and minus 1 is equal to minus 8 into minus 2 plus minus 8 into minus 1. क्या दोनों इक्वल हैं? तो फर्स्ट यहाँ पर इक्वालिटी साइन है, सो मतलब ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड हुआ और ये राइट हैंड साइड. सो वी टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड क्या है यहाँ पर? minus 8 multiplied with minus 2 plus minus 1. So we solve the inside of the square bracket minus 2 plus minus 1. So minus 8 multiplied with minus 2 plus into minus minus 1. So minus 8 multiplied with minus 2 and minus 1 minus 3 equal to 8 3 is 24. Minus into minus plus हो गया. And taking right hand side here, minus 8 multiplied with minus 2 plus minus 8 multiplied with minus 1. So minus 8 into minus 2, 8 to just 16, plus into plus, sorry, minus into minus plus 8 1 ja 8, and minus to minus plus is equal to 24. Then here left hand side is equal to 24 and right hand side equal to 24. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Question number 4. Find A 16 into 12, B minus 20 into 48, C 52 into minus 8 plus minus 52 into 2. So we find the value of these three questions A, B and C by using distributive property. जैसे हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी की यूज करेंगे उसका आंसर सिंपल निकलेगा. तो फर्स्ट वी सॉल्व A 16 इंटू 12. तो यहाँ पर A एंड B है, जबकि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है A इंटू सम ऑफ B एंड C होता है. तो इसको तोड़ देंगे, क्या हो जाएगा ये 16 इंटू 12 को लिख सकते हैं हम लोग 10 प्लस 2. सो बाय यूजिंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या होता है यहाँ से A इंटू सम ऑफ B एंड C इज इक्वल टू AB प्लस AC. तो 16 पहले 10 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा, 16 10 जा 100 मीन्स 160 प्लस 16 2 जा 32, then 160 plus 32 192. 192 is the correct answer. B minus 20 multiply with 48. So how can find the value? Also we split 42 into two parts. Minus 20 multiply with the sum of 40 plus 8. So here again we use the distributive property of additions. Minus 20 multiply with 40 minus 800 minus 2 plus minus 20 plus minus 20 into 8 minus 160. Once again 2 4 8 00 minus this, then minus 800 minus 160 is equal to minus 960. Minus 960 is the correct answer. We see the next question. C 52 multiply with minus 8 plus minus 52 multiply with 2. 52 into multiply with minus 8 plus minus 52 multiply with 2. Then how can find the value? यहाँ पर 52 है, यहाँ पर भी 52 बट माइनस 52 है. सो यू राइट दिस इक्वल टू 52 इंटू माइनस 8 प्लस 52 इंटू माइनस 2. अगर हम माइनस ये दोनों मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है और इस नेगेटिव को मैं इसके साथ लिख दूँ कोई प्रॉब्लम इफेक्ट नहीं होगा. अब 52 इंटू माइनस 8 एंड 52 इंटू माइनस 2 में क्या कॉमन है 52. तो पहले 52 को बाहर निकाल लो. तो 52 यहाँ से बाहर निकलती है बच्चा, यहाँ से 52 बाहर निकलती है नंबर कितना बचेगा प्लस माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 52 इंटू माइनस 8 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 52 इंटू माइनस 8 एंड माइनस 2 माइनस 10 इक्वल टू 52 इंटू माइनस 10 minus 520. So we use the distributive property of additions and subtractions of multiplications in when we solve this type of questions. इन दोनों में कॉमन से हम निकाल लिए. कोई भी नंबर्स इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो वी यूज द डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन ओवर एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो वी सी द एग्जांपल नंबर 3. Example number 3. Verify minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 30 into 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. Verify means check करना है कि left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this in this question this is left hand side and this is a right hand side. Verify means check करना है. So taking left hand side minus 30 multiply with 13 plus minus 3. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड लिए हैं तो पहले इनसाइड दिस स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट सॉलिड माइनस 30 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 13 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 30 मल्टीप्लाई विथ 13 माइनस 3 10. सो द आंसर विल बी 30 इंटू 10 माइनस 300 माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस. सो यू टेक द राइट हैंड साइड. Right hand side is minus 30 multiply with 13 plus minus 30 multiply with minus 3. So minus 30 multiply with 3 क्या हो गया? First we multiply this minus into plus minus. 13 0 is 0, 13 3 is 39 plus minus to minus plus 3 0 is 0, 3 3 is 9. So minus 390 plus 90 will equal to minus 300. Here both answer left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. Yes, minus 30 into minus 30 into 13 plus minus 3 is equal to minus 30 multiply with 13 plus minus 30 into minus 3. So we see the mathematical statement questions of this chapter exercise in next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.